Gladys, and today we're going to assemble the Tyson glider. Make sure you have all the proper pieces and hardware, and if anything is missing, please call customer care. One way to know you're working with the correct hardware is to compare them with the illustrations that come in the instructions. Like that. The first step is to attach the back frame to the seat base, and for this you will need 3 1¼ inch bolts, 3 1/4 inch split washers, and the Allen wrench. Remember to use the short side of the Allen wrench to tighten the bolts. And that's it. The second step is to attach the arms of the glider to the seat base. And for this, we will need 4 rods, 6 1/4 inch split washers, 6 1¼ inch bolts, and the provided Allen wrench. Don't forget to use the short side of the Allen wrench to tighten the bolt. And that's it. The third step is to attach the cushions for the arms, the seat base, and the back frame. Don't forget your Tyson glider also comes with a pre-assembled Ottoman. Congratulations, you've just assembled your Tyson glider.